Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to use our interactive workspace just to pin some reports to the dashboard. So we're going to click on that interactive workspace and click on tax 1. Let's use this, tax 1. So here, we just want to put some reports from here and from the other page. We want to put it on a single dashboard. Just want to select some key numbers from these two reports and just put it on the dashboard. Yeah, so that we can just view it on one page. So the limitation of dashboard is that you can actually take data from different Power BI files. So it just has to be one Power BI file which has been published. So we'll just create a dashboard here. So I go to my total customers. I go to pin. So I go to new dashboard. I call this dashboard, let me say customer analysis. So I want to present this. So I want to pick two key informations from this slide and that other and this other page. So not from all the pages. So I want to pick number of customers by region. I pin to the customer analysis dashboard. I pin there. So I come to, so those are the information I want from here. So I come to this. I pick total deposit. I pin it to that dashboard as well. Pin it there. I pick deposit by customer. I pin it there as well. Then I pick the distribution by gender. So pick distribution by gender. I pin it there. These are just the information I want to see on that dashboard. So I click on go to dashboard. So this actually shows me the dashboard on one page with everything I've selected. You can see really nice feature. I can decide to, oh sorry, I actually went back to the report. So I'll go to my dashboard. I think I can find that, let me go to home. You can see dashboards here. Home, I think I can find dashboards somewhere here. Okay, my workspace, let me go to interactive. So interactive, this is the dashboard. So you can see really nice, just really nice feature to see. Yeah. So you can, I think I can shift this to any direction I want to shift it to. So that is what I was trying to do before. I can shift this to any direction. I can put this here. I can put this here. So really nice feature. This is just the little thing I want to show. I just pin it to this dashboard and I can just present this in one page. I can actually add some more slides to this. I think we should add more. So let's go to our interactive, then tax 1. Let's add more to that dashboard. So let's add enrollment status. Let's pin it there as well. So we'll pin it, pin. Then number of customers, let's pin it there. Let's just add these two, pin. So let's go to dashboard. So you can see those reports are coming up nicely in here. So we just added two reports from different pages. So you can edit this dashboard. So you can add dashboard theme. So which I also find very interesting. This is a light theme. You can also add, let me see dark. So dark theme. So very nice feature. So you can also import themes. So if you go to custom, you can just customize your theme. Let me see what is in background image. I'm just still trying this out. You can put an image URL here to show. I don't have an image URL at the moment. If not, I would have put it there. So just do it at your own time, your own experience. Can you change the tile background? Yes. Background color, you can change it to background color to, let's change it to a blue. Let's see what it will look like. You can see blue. Then you have to change the tile background as well to blue. Let me see it, a lighter blue. Oh no, this is too light. No, this is too light. So just play around this, have fun with it. Yeah, have fun with it. So I can save and I can keep it. So I see this is it's too shiny. I think I'll just maintain what I have, dashboard. I go to dark, so colorblind friendly. So really nice, dark. So I prefer dark. So I click on OK. So you can also maximize this to present your report. Yeah, very nice feature. Adjust this chart anyhow you want to adjust it. Yeah, so really nice, really nice. So mobile layout, you can also do a mobile layout. So just to make your report mobile friendly, such that when this is a mobile layout, so that when someone views this on a mobile, it will just adjust to that view, to that mobile view. So also really nice feature. This is very flawless and very great report, even finer than what we designed originally. So that is all about creating dashboards. So another thing I'm going to create here is an app. So let's go back to our workspace, interactive. So for apps, you can actually put all these reports together. Even with your dashboard, you can put your dashboard in the app and all the reports you've created in the app. So you see this nice little thing here that include in app, yes. So that is all you need. Anything you don't want to include in app, you deselect. So for this, we want to include everything. Well, let me not include this customer analysis. Let me deselect this. Okay, you see how it works. So all we just need to do is just to go to create app. Just click on create app. So create the app. It tell you just to enter a descriptive summary of the app. Okay, let's say this app shows customers and transaction pattern, right? So we can leave the app color, theme color as blue. So instead of showing app publishers, some people, okay, you can decide to show workspace. So depend on you, on what you want to show. Then we'll go to navigation. And you can, this thing is so great that you can arrange the report in the sequence you want it to show. Now we want tax 1 to show before visualization. So we'll just take this up. And the great thing about this is like you can rename. Really great. So you can rename this. So you can call this, let me say, what is in tax 1? Customer, we call it customer analytics, right? Why this? Click on this tax visualization. We can call this loans and transactions analytics. Loans and transaction analytics. Right. So let's see what's in advanced. Okay, let's leave it as small. So we'll now go to permissions. For permissions, so you can say the entire people in your organization can view. Really nice. So everybody can view. Everybody at all that has the link can view. But we want to limit this to maybe the people within our team or this. So you just take it to specific individuals. And the great thing about this is everybody in your workspace can actually also view this app, right? So, but let's just use this. Let's send it to Aisha. So Aisha, Shah, Farouk. Okay, Farouk Martins. Just share this with these two people. So we can decide to allow users to copy this report. You can decide to allow them or not allow them. So depends on you. So let's just allow, and that publish the app. So it takes within 5 to 10 minutes. So we publish the app, or takes a full day for the app to even show. But typically within 5 to 10 minutes, the other account can view the app. So great, the app is created. So let's copy this link, for instance. Let's copy it. So we can go to app. Go to app. Let's just explore and see how our app looks like. Okay. This is the app. The app is coming up. All right. Really nice. Really nice. So this is our customer analytics. We have page 1 there, page 2 there. So you can view. And this is our loan and transaction analytics. For what we typically see here is our landing page. Yeah, our landing page. Then we can go to reports. Then we can view all our reports. Right, so you can see we've designed these two things on different Power BI desktop files, but we've brought them together in a single app. That is the very, very great feature about apps on Power BI. So in this lesson, we've looked at creating dashboard and we've looked at app. And if you also notice something here, that our customer dashboard didn't come here because we deselected it from coming to the app. Right. So that'll be all for this lesson. But before we close this lesson, let's go to Aisha's account to see if she has access to the app already, because typically the app takes between 5 to 10 minutes to publish this. Aisha, so let's refresh this and see if the app is here already. If it's not here, then it will show up. So we just go to apps. So we can go to apps, have apps here. So if the apps is here, we'll see it here, if it's here already. Then if it's not here, we'll just wait for the time for it to publish. Okay, so let's see, loading. Got it? So if the app is here, it just shows up here, then Aisha can view the app also, because literally I've shared the app with her account as well. So let's just wait a bit to see if the app shows up. So if you are watching this lesson, you can just fast forward a bit, yeah, to just get to the point where the app shows up, like if it's here already. All right, this is still loading. Wow. Wow. Think won't be able to wait for this to load. So literally, so I will show you when the app comes on. So if I remember, so before we close this module, I'll just show you the app on Aisha's account. So that will be all for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.